Hello guys, we are Our Boyfriend, and today I'm going to react to ATEEZ new song slash comeback. I can't pronounce because it's just Korean, with Kim Jong Kook. I hope I pronounced it correctly. I'm very bad at anything Korean. So I don't know, this is a collaboration, as I said, with Kim Jong Kook, and I'm really excited because it seems like a summer kind of vibe, and it's the first song where Mingi might be back. As we all know, he had some issues to figure out, so he kind of like separated a little bit from the group to get his little bit time out. And the last song I reacted to, or we reacted to, was Dreamers, the Japanese comeback. And we also did I'm the One. And since I'm the One, I'm so much into ATEEZ. We reacted to Thanks and I think Inception before, but that was just the beginning, and things like the last comeback, I'm so much into ATEEZ. Like, I watch all shows, I watched, especially with my best friend, we watched so many TV shows and whatever, and comeback films they had. So I'm pretty much good into ATEEZ, and I'm very excited for this one. So I'm just going into it in 3, 2, 1, go. Beautiful voice. I don't know who is singing. Why does this sound like a trot song? He looks so good. Collaboration. Oh, cute song. This is so cute, such a summer vibe. Oh, Sunstone. Busan moment. Yeah, my vibes. Femini. Ah, that's so cute. Summer vibes. I love the dance. I love the vibe. Season songs, okay. It's also a little bit like a crackhead song. Oh, Yosan looks so fine. This is adorable. This is so cute. I want to have a picnic with them. Hello, William. Oh, wow. das Juno-Ende. So cute! The dance. Yeah, me. Oh, this video is serving us with some moments. It's just okay. I don't. This is such a funny crackhead summer video. It reminds me a little bit of Trot. I don't know why. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm not so much into Trot music, so I don't know anything about it, but it reminds me a little bit. And I just love the vibe of this music video. It seems so like careless, like so free of any trouble. They all look so good and so bright, so colorful. Everything is just like, it just makes me want to have, like, as I said, it just makes me want to have a picnic with them, or just in a park and party with them on the beach, or just a pool party. I don't know, anything. Also, as I said, this is serving so much wholesome moments. This is so cute. And I'm also a little bit thrown between if I think that's cute or it's handsome / sexy. It's like in between. I don't know. But I have to listen to it again. It's such a happy song. And yeah, please go and support ATEEZ new collaboration. And if you like our reaction or my reaction, please give me also a like. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. And please comment down below what you think about this song. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye!